today, but gone tomorrow like a spark.
Hi, it's Evan Molloy from the Evan Molloy team, and welcome to 326 Hotham Creek Road here in Willow Vale.
To our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
For further information on this incredible lifestyle property, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'd love to help.
What's another